Yo, what up YouTube? You don't know, this is Lord I, the Dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel, And today we come to talk about everybody combing out them locks. And everybody cutting them locks and things, you see me? So today we want to talk about holding the faith. The faith is this. You see, if this is a spiritual journey to you, you can't just get up and say, boy, you're going to cut your locks. People don't understand, sometimes your locks is your strength, Your locks is a commitment, It shows that you're determined, When you see some elder rasta and you see them have locks for 30 years, it's a journey that, It's a commitment that, So you have to understand. We're not fighting nobody who want to cut them locks still. I've cut my locks already. As you can see, we're growing it back. But I just showing you, say, it's a commitment. Hold the faith. Everybody that doing the comb outs, everybody that doing the cutting it and going natural and yo, locks is a beautiful thing. Most of the empress them look extremely beautiful with them locks. Them hair is them beauty. It show all kind of variation. Who have a little straighter hair, who have a coarser hair, who have blacker hair, who have jet black hair, who have colored hair, who have hair that actually look burnt after a while. It's all in the locks. Locks is a journey, is a story. When you look at some elder locks, you see said them have them locks 20 years. You see says a journey, talk. It actually tells stories, my friend. So people need to understand them things. You understand what I say? And not just thinking everything is style to most people. But you have to understand, so this is a serious thing. It's a commitment. You're not going to say, we just trim and cut here and just done with it. You see what I say? So, big up yourself, YouTube. You don't know. Lord I, the Dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel. Remember to hold the faith. Remember to like and subscribe. Link we on the Instagram, the Dad's Lord High. Big up yourself every time. Boom!